Hey everybody, welcome. In this Gimkit tutorial video, I'm going to answer a question that I saw some people talking about on Facebook, and that is, can I play Gimkit Draw and make the students guess with sentences? And the answer is yes, you can do that. I'm going to show you how to set that up really quick. So I made just a sample set right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm a Spanish teacher, by the way, if that makes a difference to you. So when you're in here and you're making your questions, it might seem kind of weird, but you have to set the sentence that you want the students to write as the question. And then the answer is down here. So like normally you'd think it'd be flip-flopped, but I did it this way because if I made this in the inverse fashion, so if I put like yo en bailar up here and I put me gusta bailar as the answer, Gimkit wouldn't let me use that. It would make you draw questions and answers, where I just want them to have to draw the sentence only. I'll show you in a second what that looked like. So that's what it looked like for me. Put the answer as the question. Okay, I'm done. I'll show you what happens if you don't do that. Here's my first one that I made right here. And so I had the clues. The question was this, and then the answer was the sentence. But when I use this one, watch what happens. Play. Normally when you do this, a box pops up that asks you if you want to use the answers or the questions, like if they want to draw the answers to the questions. That box didn't pop up. Now let me show you what happens when I use my other one, the one I showed you initially, where you set the sentence as the question, which is going to be, this is what should happen. This is what you want to have happen, right? You want this box to pop up so you can see which one you want them to use. And I want them to draw these sentences, or I mean, you want them to guess the sentences and draw the sentences. So pick that one, mess with your settings, whatever. I'm going to get some people to join so you can see what it looks like. All right, so we got two players. They're both me. I'm going to start. So I'm going to draw with my phone, I guess. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so as the student that's drawing, I get to choose between those sentences, right? So I'll choose the one that's Le gusta bailar. Students that are guessing would see, oh, this is like the player's phone. There it is. This is what they would see. So they'd have to type in Le gusta, I forgot what it was, bailar. Okay, and then they get the answer correct. So you can do it with sentences, and that's it. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by. Adios.